Hello and welcome to another video course from devtechie.com, and this video course is about Apple Intelligence and Apple's newest foundation models. In this video course, you will master advanced techniques for building intelligent Swift apps using Apple's foundation models. You learn how to handle multiple prompts and responses, stream real-time output, and apply guided generation using generable in-guide macro. You'll explore practical projects like essay writer, storyboard writer, travel app, integrated API calls using tool calling, and much more powerful concepts, many more powerful concepts with deep details. We are going to go and explore each and every aspect of foundation models within this, all the advanced topics within this course. Okay, so let me go ahead and quickly show you on the website, all the topics that we're going to cover, and then we're going to basically take a quick preview on it. Okay, so this is devtechie.com. If you have not visited, go ahead, visit devtechie.com, click on all courses, and you're gonna land on this page. Right now we have 3 courses on foundation models. Each course takes a deep dive into a topic that you're gonna build upon. So you get started with this course, getting started with Apple foundation models. Then you move on to Apple Foundation Model with Session Management. And then you're going to come to this advanced course, where we're going to talk about guided generation in tool calling using the foundation models. Now there is another course which actually goes much more deep into traditional machine learning and artificial intelligence in iOS and Apple ecosystem, and there are 36 lessons and multiple apps that you're going to create in this. So this is a soft prerequisite if you want to know about machine learning, but this course this video is about this course right here. This is Apple Intelligence and Guided Generation Tool Calling in Foundation Models. So in this course, we're going to start with introduction about the course itself. From there on, we're going to move on to the handling multiple prompts and responses. And within this, basically, we are going to build a complete app and look at how Apple Foundation models handle the multiple prompts, and basically how we can use that to our advantage to create multiple Gen AI text, in this case sequentially, one by one. So you're gonna learn how to build this entire app, this AI essay generator app, and it's gonna basically generate write essays on these 4 topics, and you can actually go and take a look into what these topics are and read it through. So this is gonna be our first project. Then from here we're gonna move on to essay generator app, which we're gonna build a version here, and then we're gonna enhance this. So the app that you just looked at is the enhanced version, where you have this nice looking UI, and you'll learn how to integrate this dynamic generation using the Apple Foundation models. So this is gonna be the UI for first and second sections, or second and third sections. From there, we're gonna move on to streaming responses, and we're gonna basically build this story writer app. And the story writer app you're gonna actually build using the foundation model playground, and we're gonna learn how the responses can be streamed, and then you're gonna basically learn the concept of streaming versus responding with a chunk of data, how foundation model handles it. Then from there, you're gonna actually build this app, the story writer app. And here you would give your AI a topic, for example, chipmunk. And I'm just gonna give this topic, and it'll start generating story, and it'll basically, as the AI is generating the story, it'll give you a preview of that whole generation process. And we're gonna use SwiftUI, some animations to basically animate some of the components while foundation models is generating and streaming the response to us. Okay, so that's gonna be our streaming responses. You're gonna learn about how to stream responses. Then you're gonna move on to foundation models in apps. So at this point, we're gonna actually jump into use foundation models within the app, and we're gonna actually build a joke generator app. And this joke generator app will generate content using on-device LLM, and in this case, it'll generate the jokes, new jokes for us. So from here, you're gonna learn how you can integrate AI directly into your apps where chat interface is not available. We're gonna move on to talk about the limitations and capabilities of the foundation model. From there, we're going to talk about what are the things that foundation models can do and what are the things they cannot do, and the approaches to fill that gap that foundation cannot do has created. Then we're going to go into some of the advanced topics like guided generation. And guided generation is when we can actually explore how you can direct models output to match your Swift type, your data type that you have created. And that is what you are going to be learning in this. And then you're gonna basically learn to build a travel planner app using the guided generation. So using the guided generation, you're gonna build this travel planner app, which is going to take users' action and generate a new travel location with places to visit. And with this app, you can basically learn how to populate your Swift type with the data that is generated by your on-device LLM. Now from here, you're gonna also learn how to basically generate recipes. And when you're basically, after you've learned about guided generation, you're gonna go into basically streaming responses in guided generation, and that's when you're gonna build this app which is gonna help you generate and basically stream the generated response for the recipes. Okay, so for example, I can give here any recipe. So I'm gonna say sourdough, and it'll basically give me a recipe, and it'll stream the recipe for sourdough as the model is generating this. Okay, so you're gonna learn to build how to create streamed response and receive guided response from the foundation models while streaming it on the UI. Okay, from there on, we're gonna basically jump into the most important and I guess most advanced topic in foundation models, and that is called tool calling. So we're gonna learn about basics of tool calling, how to create simple tools, and how to make your tools useful by leveraging and connecting them to external APIs to fetch data. For example, we're going to be building this weather tool, which is going to fetch the real-time weather information from the internet by calling the API. Okay, so for example, I can say, what is the weather in San Francisco? And I'm going to send it, and my model should basically understand what the weather is. I'm talking about the weather for San Francisco, it will fetch the weather information and it will display the weather information and the conditions in a natural language format. I can say this for San Diego and it'll fetch me a different response. So current weather for San Diego is $69, and behind the scene it is actually calling the weather API to fetch the weather information, feeding it into the LLM, and then LLM is basically generating that response for you. So all this is going to be done using on-device foundation models framework, on-device LLM powered by Apple Intelligence, which is called foundation models. And this is where we're gonna wrap up our course, and you can get all the source code as well for all the apps that we have built throughout this course. So we are very excited to present this course to you, and I hope you guys join us and learn with us the foundation models, some of the advanced topics, and make your app more intelligent with this on-device AI. So I'll see you guys in the course. Thank you.